The library has organized.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
The library has organized. Now am I audible? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
The library has organized. The library has organized. Has organized. Has organized a storytelling festival. Telling festival. A storytelling festival. Children, listen. Next one. Next one.
Ma'am, your voice is so low.
Notes of the lecture were being taken by Nidhi. Notes of the lecture were being taken by Nidhi. So you can see here.
Nidhi were taking the notes of the lecture.
It is singular, so we will use was. Nidhi was taking notes. Nidhi was taking notes. Nidhi was taking notes. Notes of the lecture. Next one, children. Tell me.
मैम आपकी वॉइस स्लो आ रही है.
Am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A new football club in Mumbai is being promoted by two international players. So again, you can see that continuous tense is used, present continuous tense is used. So what we are going to write now?
The international players are promoting
Two
a new
international
football
players.
club.
Two international players. Two international players.
Are promoting a new football club in Mumbai.
Very good. Two international players. National players are promoting are promoting a new football club in Mumbai. A new football club in Mumbai. A new football club in Mumbai. Next one, children. Tell me the next one, children. Next, fifth one.
Those outdated aircraft have been preserved by the Air Force in the museum.
Those outdated aircraft have been preserved by the Air Force in the museum. So what you are going to write? Change into active voice.
The Air Force have preserved the outdated aircraft in the museum.
The Air Force have preserved. Air Force have preserved those outdated aircraft in the museum. Those outdated aircraft in the museum. Now you have to change this paragraph in active voice. 8 to 10 slices of bread can be taken. An onion, 2 tomatoes and a capsicum must be chopped finely. So all these sentences you have to change in active voice. Change the first sentence, children. 8 to 10 slices of bread can be taken. Tell me. Tell me the first
We can
one.
take 8 to 10 slices of bread.
8 to 10 slices of bread can taken.
Take. Take. Take 8 to 10 slices of bread. 8. Take 8 to 10 slices of bread. 10 slices of bread. Next, an onion, 2
Chopped.
tomatoes, and a capsicum must be chopped finely.
Chopped an onion, 2 tomatoes, and a capsicum finely.
Yes, chop an onion. Chop an onion. Onion, 2 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. Two tomatoes. And a capsicum finely. Capsicum finely. Next line, beta. Next line.
Mix the
Mix the vegetable with 2 cubes of
with 2
cheese.
cubes of cheese.
Very good. Mix the vegetables with mix and grate. Grate and mix with the vegetables. Grate and mix.
Man, can I write this? Mix the vegetables with grated 2 cubes of cheese.
What you're writing?
Mix the vegetables with the grated 2 cubes of cheese.
Yes. 2 cubes of cheese should be grated and mixed with the vegetables. So what you're going to write? Grate and mix 2 cubes of cheese with the vegetables. Grate, or you can write in this way: grate 2 cubes of cheese. Grate.
मैम ये हो सकता है ग्रेट एंड मिक्स 2 cubes of cheese
Yes.
with the vegetables.
First grate it and then mix, no? Grate 2 cubes and 2 cubes of cheese and mix. And mix with the vegetables. Next, beta.
On the slice of bread, butter should spread.
The slices of butter should be spread on bread.
Come again.
Spread the butter on the slices
Bread.
of bread.
Spread the butter. Absolutely correct. Write down.
Can we write that spread the slices of butter on the bread?
No, spread the butter. Spread the butter on the slices of bread. Spread butter on the slices of bread. On the slices of bread. Next, on the slices of bread. Next,
Cover the cheese and vegetables with the 4 to 5 slices.
By the mixture of 4 to 5.
yes, yes. Cover 4 to 5 slices should be covered by the mixture of cheese and vegetables. Cover 4 to 5 slices by the mixture of cheese and vegetables. Cover Cover 4 to 5 slices. 5 slices. 4 to 5 slices by the mixture of cheese and vegetables. By the mixture of cheese and vegetables. Cheese and vegetables. Next,
Place rest of the slices.
Now
on the top.
on the top, place rest of the slices.
the rest of the slices should now be placed on top. Now place the rest of the slices on the top. Okay. Now place rest of the slices on the top. Rest of the slices. Place rest of the slices. The slices on top. Next,
Now toast the sandwich with a toaster or a pan.
now roast the sandwich in a pan, on a pan or in a toaster. Now roast the sandwich. Now
Ma'am, toast.
toast. Toast the sandwich. Toast the sandwich. Sandwich. On a pan or in a toaster. A tiny cube of butter could be added to decorate the sandwich.
To
Add
decorate the
tiny
sandwich,
cube the butter.
to decorate the
decorate the
sandwich, add a tiny cube of butter.
Yes, to decorate the sandwich, add a, to decorate a sandwich, add a tiny cube of butter. Cube of butter. Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Completed. So now you can see this given below are some pairs of sentences. One sentence in active voice and other is in passive voice. Given below are some pairs of sentences. One sentence is in active voice and the other is in passive voice. Work in pairs. The first child will identify the sentence in active voice and will change into passive voice. And the passive voice will change into active voice. Like all these pictures were painted by the students of class 8. I painted the picture or a peacock dancing in the rain. So first you will change the sentence into active voice. Second one is in active voice, you will change into passive voice. Okay. So can you tell me the first one? All these pictures were painted by the students of class 8.
The student of class 8th painted all these pictures.
Yes. The students of class 8 painted all these pictures. I painted the picture of a peacock dancing in the rain. Passive voice.
Peacock dancing in the rain was painted by me.
The picture of a peacock dancing in the rain was painted by me. This bed cover was made from scraps of colorful fabrics.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, fine. I'll wait.